The latest Android 17 QPR1 Beta 3 update is now rolling out for supported Google Pixel devices. If your Pixel device running the Android 17 Beta program, please check for this latest system update. To check for the update, open the app drawer and tap the Settings app. Scroll down and tap System. Tap Software Updates. Tap System Update. You can see the System Update Available message on the screen. Update size is 554 megabytes. Tap Download and Install button at the bottom middle. Wait until complete the downloading and update your Pixel phone with the latest version. In the next video, I'll explain what's new in the latest Android 17 QPR1 Beta 3 update.